Good morning, friends. I am Abhishek Gandhi, Assistant Personnel Officer at Mysore Division of Indian Railways. Currently, we are witnessing a gradual shift on e-office for our office processes. I hope that all of you on Indian Railways must have received your e-office IDs and passwords. So I would request you all to log in and reach the file management system. Now I will tell you the purpose of this video. In this video, we will look at the process of how we can integrate our old scanned files to the new e-office system. This is a very simple thing. All we need is two separate PDFs. One that has our old notings and the other which will have all the previous folios that are scanned. So one folio side PDF and another noting side PDF are the two files that we need to have. Let's see how it can be done. Integrating old scanned files is a three-step process for which first of all we have to enter the file management system. The first step would be creating a new file with an app description. In eOffice, the file number gets automatically generated. We just have to find the right content in the drop-down menus relevant to the file that we are going to open. Here we have selected Mysore, Personal Department and Commercial Cadre as an example. Now in the description, we should be writing the title of the old physical file that we have scanned. It will help the recipient to understand the content of the file, and also it will help us in searching for this file in future. After this, we can either fill the non-compulsory fields also, or can go ahead with confirming the creation of this file. Now the file that we have created will not be found in Inbox but in the Completed tab under the section named Created. After file creation, the second step would be to append the scanned folio pages. For this, we have to move from File section to Receipt section and then to Browse and Diarize. Now we have to press the Upload File button and select the scanned folio pages. Here, after diarizing the folio side, we should ensure that the number of pages that are there in the file are same to the number of pages that we have in the scanned files, so that we can ensure that none of the folio side pages are missing. Then what we need to do is to fill these details that are there on the right side. These are known as diary details. We have to ensure that while diarizing, the contact details means contact details of the sender. In this case, I am sending this file to myself, so filling in those details. Ticking the Add to Address Book button will create self-generated options the next time you fill in these details. Now before generating and send, an appropriate subject should be given so that it becomes easy for the recipient to identify this file in between the other receipts that he has in his eOffice. Now in this case, the sender as well as the recipient would be the APO Abhishek Gandhi, because I want to later on attach these scanned folio pages to the file that we had previously created. Now we can see that the file that we just created is in the Inbox heading of the Receipts section of my eOffice. Now, after diarizing the scanned folio pages, we should go to the File section, and in the heading under Completed, we can open the file that we had previously created. In that, we will be going to the Table of Contents TOC, and there we will find the Attach button. Here we can also see on the left side the file that we had scanned. This completes the step 2 of attaching old folio to the new file. With this, half of our work is done. Folio is attached, and now the step 3 would be attaching the old noting to the new file. For this, we have to press the Add Green Note button, and we will write the new noting relevant to whom we are sending the newly created file. And when we scroll down, we will find a button of Attach there. We will press this Attach button and we will connect the scanned previous noting that we have in our desktop. When we press that, automatically it will get attached to the new file. Here we can see that the noting.pdf file is there. and this completes the integration of old scanned files into the new e-office system, and this file can be sent to higher authorities if asked.